This graphic is not turning out right at all. This is gonna be just like last year. Stop! 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 Help me, St. Patrick. Bill?
Hey Jenny, I just found a cool new way to halftone a graphic. Can I show you?
It's a St. Patrick's Day miracle!
Make a new document that's sized for your garment and import your artwork. In a perfect world, your artwork is a transparent PNG. And if it's not, I'll show you how to work with that shortly. When working in Photoshop, it's always best to work in a non-destructive way. So I always back up my original graphic in a folder like this. Duplicate. And if your graphic has this little icon right here, right-click and rasterize your layer. Next, go to Layer, Layer Mask, from Transparency. This does two things. It extends your artwork to have a fully opaque layer and creates a neat layer mask, which is perfect for halftoning. Alt-Option-click the layer mask to enter mask edit mode. Control or Command A to select all and copy. Create a new document. This should be set automatically by the clipboard contents to your document size and grayscale. Paste, flatten with Control or Command E, and we're already more than halfway done. As with other halftoning tutorials on this channel, this is where we choke the transparency with a levels adjustment. However, as you can see, the drop shadow on the text disappears whenever we use just levels. So I'm gonna get creative here. I'll apply a curves adjustment layer above this layer. And then I'll go to Window, History, and press that little camera icon. That's a surprise tool for later. I'll drop my gamma down until the glow looks good. And now, in the mask for that adjustment, I'll use a soft brush to bring back my drop shadow behind the text. And now we're ready to test the halftone. I'll flatten the image with Control or Command Shift E and go to Image, Mode, Bitmap. Output matches the DPI of our document, 300, always 300. Using halftone screen, frequency 35, angle 22, and shape round. You can play with these numbers if you'd like, but 90% of the time, these values give great results every time. This looks pretty good. We could maybe choke back a little bit more, but let's just see what it looks like on the shirt. Select all, copy, and then return to the original document. And since we're already in the mask edit mode, just paste. This looks great. Here's your DTF super tip of the day. Try to preview your graphic on a shirt texture instead of a solid background. Black on a monitor is not the same as black on a shirt. Also, add a bevel and emboss blending option with these settings. This lets you visualize the halftones in a more print-accurate way with the way that ink kind of gets globular. Just be sure to disable it before saving to print. Now, if this graphic didn't look this good straight away, we actually don't need to repeat the whole process all over again. Simply return to the halftoning document, click on the snapshot in the history panel, and let's make the adjustments again. At any point while working in a Photoshop document, you can create snapshots like this to return to. It's like a save within a save that can end up being a lifesaver. Oh my God. I'll adjust my image as before, convert to bitmap, copy and paste again to preview. And you can rinse and repeat this as many times as you want. Once the graphics look good, I'll do one last optimization. Enter mask mode, go to Filter, Other, Minimum. Set this to 0.5. This is gonna clean up those outer edges, which wouldn't receive ink when printing. In a recent video, which you should definitely watch after this, we showed exactly how small DTF can print. Now, for the graphic that doesn't have transparency, duplicate and rasterize your layer twice. Create a new layer. With the brush tool selected, hold Alt or Option to sample the background color, and fill it with that color. Set this layer blending mode to Difference. Select the top copy and this new layer, and hit Command or Control E to merge them. Desaturate with Control or Command plus Shift plus U, and the first half of this transparency matte is complete. Hide this layer. Select the other duplicate, and then select Remove Background. Enter Mask Mode, and copy all. Exit the mask, enable the top layer, and make a new layer to paste in the contents of the clipboard. Set the top layer to Screen, and then merge them together. We'll copy the contents of the layer and continue the halftoning process just as we did before to finish it out. And that is how you halftone a glow for DTF.
This looks great, Phil. I can't wait to use this. And as always, guys, if there's anything you want to learn, feel free to comment down below and we might feature it in our next video. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Oh, we forgot to say subscribe.